Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your LinkedIn account on any device if you have forgotten to do so. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the web browser in which you are logged into your account, and then in the address bar type in linkedin.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official LinkedIn website and you will already be logged in to your account. Now if you wish to log out, click on the Me icon at the top corner and then from your account page click on Sign Out. You will now be asked whether you want your information to be remembered while you sign out from your account. If this is not your private device, then make sure to choose the Sign Out option at the second, which will forget your login information. After clicking on the Sign Out option, you will be logged out from your LinkedIn account. And now if you wish to log back in, you can either continue with your Google account or log in using your email address and your password, and you will be signed into your LinkedIn account back again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on LinkedIn. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.